Following President Donald Trump's announcement of new tariffs, global markets experienced significant declines on February 3, 2025. This move, which imposes a 25% tariff on goods from Canada and Mexico and a 10% tariff on Chinese imports, has raised fears of an escalating trade war, prompting investors to react with caution. Market reactions. U.S. stock futures. Futures for major U.S. indices indicated sharp losses, with the Nasdaq futures down by 2.2%, S&P 500 futures falling 1.6%, and Dow futures decreasing by 1.1%, equating to approximately 500 points. 46. Asian markets. The Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong fell by 1%, the Nikkei 225 dropped 2.4%, and South Korea's Kospi plummeted by 3%. 13. Overall, Asian equity markets were predominantly lower amid fears of a prolonged trade conflict. Currency fluctuations. The US dollar surged against other currencies, with the Canadian dollar hitting its lowest level since 2003 and the euro dropping more than 1% against the $1.35. Economic implications. Investors are concerned about potential retaliatory measures from Canada and Mexico, which have already indicated plans to impose their own tariffs on U.S. goods. 23. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced retaliatory tariffs on approximately $155 billion worth of U.S. products, further complicating the trade landscape. 24. Experts warn that while tariffs may provide short-term benefits for the U.S. economy, they could lead to long-term challenges, including increased inflationary pressures and potential disruptions in global supply chains. 13. The automotive sector is particularly vulnerable, as companies like Tesla and Rivian rely heavily on cross-border supply chains with Canada and Mexico. 5. Conclusion. The immediate aftermath of Trump's tariff announcement has resulted in a clear market sell-off, reflecting investor anxiety over potential retaliatory actions and the broader implications for global trade relations. As markets brace for further developments, the focus remains on how these tariffs will affect inflation rates and corporate earnings moving forward. Share rewrite.